How to open a Gate.io account. Hi everyone. Opening an account on Gate.io is the first step to accessing hundreds of different cryptocurrencies and a variety of exciting digital financial services. In this video, I'll show you how to open a Gate.io account. First, open a web browser. I'll be using Google. To open an account and get special offers from Gate.io, visit coinaz.net/gate. Or click on the link to open a Gate.io account in the description of this video. Let's get started. First, choose the method you want to use to open your account. I'm going to open my account using email. Next, enter the email address. Click on this box. Then, click Sign Up. Now, slide to verify the captcha provided by the system. Gate.io has sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email to get the code. This is an email that Gate.io sent to me. If you don't see the emails in your inbox, click here. Then check the spam folder. Now, I'll open the email. This is the verification code. I will enter the code here. Next, you need to create a password for your account. Here are the password requirements. You can refer to the example password shown on the screen. After entering your password, click Confirm. Your account has been successfully created. Now, you need to download the Gate app to proceed with identity verification. First, open App Store. If your phone uses the Android operating system, open Google Play. Type the name of the exchange. This is the app you need to download. Click here to download the app. Click Open. Click here. Enter the email or phone number you used to open your account. Then click Next. Now, enter the password you just created. Then click Login. Please complete this captcha verification. Next, you need to verify your email. The verification code has been sent to your email. Please check your email and enter the code here. Click Verify now. First, select your residence and nationality. Next, choose the ID type. For the type of ID document, you can choose an ID card, passport, or driver's license. I'll choose an ID card. Then click Next. The next step is to take photos of your document. Click here to agree to the terms and conditions. Then click I'm ready. Gate would like to access the camera. Click Allow. Now, take a photo of both the front and back of your document. Please place the document within the frame with its edges aligned. This is the face verification step. Please follow Gate.io's instructions to complete the verification process. This is the basic information section. Here, please double-check to make sure all your information is correct. Once everything is accurate, click Next. Your documents are under review. You will receive an email notification once the review is completed. Click Got it. To protect your account, you should enable two-factor authentication. First, click here. Next, click on this section. Then, click Security. These are the available two-factor authentication methods. Now, I'll show you how to set up authentication using the Google Authenticator app. Click here. The first step is to download the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Now I'll show you how to download the app. Type the name of the app as shown on the screen. This is the app you need to download. Click here to download the app. Click Open. Click Get Started. Sign in with your Google account. Click Add a code. Then select Enter a setup key. First, enter your account name. Next, enter your key. Now go back to the Gate.io website. Click Copy Key. Next, paste the key here. Then click Add. You've successfully created the code on the Google Authenticator app. Click the code to copy it. Then go back to the Gate.io website. Paste the code here. Next, enter the email verification code. Click Send to receive the code. Please check your email, then enter the code here. Finally, click Enable Google Authenticator. You have successfully enabled security authentication using the Google Authenticator app. Similarly, you can enable other authentication methods if you'd like. I've just shown you how to open a Gate.io account. Wishing you success.